Good morning. Right, we're on a cold and windy, stormy day in December, and today we've been working on this VW Up GTI. It's 21 plate, and we have fitted for the main dealer a reversing camera, which is a low-line camera, and parking sensors. Now you notice that there's only three, one central and one either side because of the size of the car. And to have a reversing camera, which is low-line only, just here, you must have reversing sensors. It won't work without the bare minimum requirements of reversing sensors. It's quite a small car anyway, and of course in a minute you'll see that the radio display is also pretty tiny, but it does exactly what you need it to do. Gives you your audible sensors as well as your low-line camera image. So we're going to jump in the car and have a take a look. Okay, so we are in the VW Up now, and the radio that we're looking at is the standard. Of course, you'll notice that the older model had the CD player. They've now gone all mechless, and you've got your front aux port, you've got your SD card, and you've got your USB interface. I think it must be in the glove box. But this particular model, really tiny display, FM and DAB. So I'm just going to pop the car into reverse. And you can see that we've got the parking sensors over to the left hand side. It doesn't need to be a big display because there are only three sensors, and then you've got your reversing image. So I'm just going to move the car whilst Tim's recording. Let's just go back. We're just heading back into the workshop, heading up to this. So we've got a T5 in today. Just going to reverse, and middle sensor is already sensing. There we go. And we've got two sensors. We're slightly not straight at the moment, so that's the reason why. And of course, because it's a low line, the OPS will stay on this display until it times out or you drive forward. Let's just pop it into reverse again. And because it's a low line, you've just got the fixed guidelines there, and that will of course mean that the red line is generally your danger point, but of course it's backed up by the OPS. So this is a VW Up GTI 2021. And we have fitted rear OPS, and we've also fitted rear camera. You can't just have a rear camera on this. I know I've already said it, but you must have bare minimum requirements are the rear OPS for us to have the camera to work. If you've got an Up and you want parking sensors and or a camera, get in touch with us, send us your chassis number, we'll do our compatibility checks, and then we can fit this down here, endorse it for you. And that's it. Have a lovely day. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to tell your friends, and the website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk.